Hey guys, this is Frog, and today we are playing some Granny Roblox, as you can see from over there. And let's just hop to it. Oh shoot, the difficulty. No, who's gonna be the Granny? If I be the Granny first, I'm gonna be surprised. Like, if you don't be surprised. Oh, who's it? Who's it? Who's it? What is it gonna be? Could be Sebastian. Oh no, it's not Sebastian. It is. Oh, that scared me. It was Sebastian, guys. It was Sebastian. Sebastian, or whatever that is. Oh, he is Granny. Wait, what? What? Office, camp, house, school. Office, camp, house, school. Office, camp, house, school. Wait, what? Vote for camp. Guys, don't vote for camp. Nobody voted for camp. Look at that difficulty. Wait, what? Oh, he probably left the game. I know it's gonna be me, guys. Guys, it's gonna be me. Just watch, guys, watch. And if it's not me, I'm gonna be sorry. It isn't me. It's Bunny Man. Bunny Man 2011. Whatever, man. So yeah, don't forget to comment down below and subscribe if you want more Roblox videos or more Granny videos in Roblox. Why? Why? Can't we just play the game? She bloody. She got some bloody teeth, guys. It makes me two people. Dun, dun. Oh, I thought that was me. It's Art Top 1274. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Fail. The game has started. How do I crouch? Alright. Oh shoot, oh shoot. Why are people so tall? Wait, can I run? Oh shoot. I'm gonna hide everything. Wait, what? That's Baldy. It's Baldy in here, guys. Ready? Ready. Oh shoot, she found a lock. She found a lock. Let me see. Cogwheel. Cogwheel, guys. I got a cogwheel. Guys, I'm gonna hide. Got a cogwheel. Wait, got that. Alright, let's run with the cogwheel. Ready. Oh shoot, what is that? What is that? Oh, it's a hammer. It's a hammer, guys. Where do I go? What do I do with this hammer, guys? Oh shoot, he scared the best out of me, guys. What? Ooh. I haven't seen Granny yet, so that's probably. I can't open that door. I haven't seen Granny yet, so that's a good thing. Oh shoot! Ugh. Guys, help! Help me! My hammer! I'm down, guys. I'm bleeding out. Please, somebody help! I'm bleeding out. Guys, I'm bleeding out and everything. Is anybody gonna help me? I'm just gonna stand here bleeding out. Shoot, I'm getting real bloody. I'm losing a lot of blood. A lot of blood is lost. I'm losing a lot of blood. Am I alive? Oh, I died. Let's. Good. Oh, it's just her and Granny. Run! Oh, she opened it. She opened it. She's going under. Banana. Banana. She's going under. She made it. But she has to move that out the way. Granny, there's Granny, run! Go the other way! Quick! Go! Go. I'm making a video. Oh shoot, Granny almost got it, guys. Where's Granny gonna go down? She's going back upstairs. She went back upstairs. Now she's probably gonna wait for that girl. Run! Oh, that was real close. Where'd she go? She found a key. Go. Go, Grandma's right there. No! No, Granny won. Guys, look, Granny's a boy. Look, you see that? Maya Peony, you're down. Nobody's gonna help you now because everybody else is dead. You're the only one. Oh, she died. And her key. Granny, how could you do this? How could you? Oh, look, she's back, guys. Wait, guys. If you guys are on with me, was I the first one to die? Oh my goodness. Who's it gonna be? Who's gonna be the Granny? If it is me, I will definitely smack you with a hammer. Wait, no, that's not a hammer. A bat. And that's probably gonna hurt really bad. I'll crack your legs and then I'll eat you because you can see she got blood on her. Why would you leave and come back? Okay, screw off. I want the office, please. The difficulty. Yes. Vote for it, guys. Come on, I have voted for it. Come on, guys. There's only one vote. Who's gonna be the Granny? Please not me, because I want to check out that map. Oh shoot, she's good at the game. She probably played it for a long time. Oh guys, I gotta eat my yogurt. Oh, yeah. Alright, the game has started. You broke my TV? Dang. I paid so much money for that. You know, I paid $200 for that. Oh no. I saw Granny. Oh no. I'm just gonna go. Anything in here for me? I don't know why they're going. I'm hiding, guys. I'm dying. What are you doing? Give me that. Cut pliers. Let's see. I can't get in there. Guys, I haven't found nothing yet. I suck. Hello? Oh! I'm dead again. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave a comment down below if you want more of these videos. And remember to subscribe. Goodbye, and I'm just gonna lay here until I die. Bye.